Friends, today pollution is increasing every day as tons of waste are being generated in the environment, and there is an urgent need for sustainable solutions. Therefore, we can reduce the negative impacts on the environment by making eco-friendly products to reduce this waste. So in today's video, we are sharing about the top 10 eco-friendly small machines. Yes, these are affordable, small, eco-friendly machines with high demand. Not only that, it not only helps the planet but also creates profitable business opportunities for people like you. So if you are looking for a smart, future-ready business idea, watch till the end. Also friends, we've provided links to the machines in the video description to know more about these machines. However, the price of the machine shown in this video is only an estimate and may change at any time. So research carefully and then buy. And if this is your first time visiting our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Come on, let's go straight into the list of eco-friendly machines. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1 is paper bag making machine. Let's first look at paper bag making machines. Today, paper bags are in high demand among many retailers, restaurants and supermarkets as an alternative to plastic bags. So with a low investment, you can start a paper bag business with paper bag making machines and cater to the growing eco-conscious market. This machine is perfect for you as it is a sustainable business that is always in demand. Number 2 is Eco Brick Manufacturing Machine. You can use this Eco Brick making machine to produce eco bricks using recycled construction waste, cement, compacted soil, or other sustainable residue. Because today, many construction companies prefer to use ash and recycled bricks due to its strength and lightness. Therefore, you can enter this growing sustainable construction market with a small brick making machine. Number 3, Wood Chipper Machine. This machine is used to convert various wood wastes, branches and other yard wastes into wood chips or sawdust. Yet these chips are used for mulching garden beds, making compost and producing heating pellets. So you can start a business with this wood chipper machine and then sell them to particle board and other wood composite products manufacturing industries and make a profit from it. Number 4, Plastic Shredder. Friends, we are well aware of the disadvantages of plastic waste. So you can use this machine to break plastic waste into small pieces and turn them into raw materials for new products. Then you can start a business by selling your products to various furniture manufacturers or packaging manufacturers. Not only that, but today governments also support this industry, making this industry a long-term business with a stable income potential. Number 5, Paper Straw Making Machine. Today, with plastic straws banned almost everywhere, the demand for these paper straws has increased in many cafes, restaurants and hotels. In this situation, you can use a paper straw making machine to cut the paper, roll it into a tube, apply glue, and then produce thousands of straws of the desired length per day. Then you can sell them to restaurants, cafes and beverage companies with a good profit margin. Number 6, Glass Bottle Recycling Machine. Friends, not only plastic but also glass can be recycled. Yes, with this machine you can recycle various waste glass bottles, jars and other glass items into environmentally friendly reusable materials such as tiles, sand and new glass. So you can process hundreds of bottles a day with this one machine. Then you can make a profit by selling them to various glass product manufacturers and construction sectors. Number 7, Biodegradable Cutlery Machine. Next, you can make disposable spoons, forks and plates from wood, bamboo, sugarcane residue, rice husk, wheat bran or cornstarch with this biodegradable cutlery machine. Today with plastic cutlery banned in many countries. So starting a business producing plates, bowls and various cutlery with this biodegradable cutlery machine is non-destructive and profitable. Number 8, Paper Egg Tray Machine. This is an eco-friendly machine. Yes friends, you can convert waste paper into durable egg trays with the help of this machine, and it is low cost, high demand product with a stable buyer base. Apart from that, trays for fruits, vegetables and other items like electronics can also be made with these machines. Not only poultry farms but also food suppliers have a high demand for these durable trays. Number 9 is a compacting machine. This machine uses high pressure to convert various plastic, aluminum, cardboard, paper, textile, and metal scraps into small cubes for recycling. This makes storage, transportation, and further recycling more efficient. Therefore, you can start a business by creating dense blocks or bales of various waste with the help of a shredder. You can then take them to recycling plants or manufacturers and resell them. Number 10. Biodegradable food container machine. The use of plastic packaging in the food industry is one of the biggest sources of pollution. So you can use this biodegradable packaging machine to make simple small batch production of eco-friendly packaging at home or on a large scale using natural materials like cornstarch, cellulose, and sugarcane pulp to make food boxes and containers. Then you can profit by selling them to eco-conscious restaurants and eco-commerce brands. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video about these top eco-friendly small machines. Also, which of these top 10 eco-friendly machines would you like to start? Let us know in the comments below. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.